Hey guys, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I have some great keys right here for RVs. The model BDTMMK. These are master keys, a set of 20. There's some plastic heads and some metal heads, square heads. Let's read about them. I think you need to know because I couldn't find these keys anywhere on YouTube. So here's the keys. And you get them from bluedog.com, I think. Let me make sure.
BlueDogKeys.com.
Let me read to you about these keys. They're the TriMark Master Key Set 20 keys. Included the MKB-MKK 8 keys for the TM001-867.
If you stay till the end, you get to see some beautiful close-ups. You need to know this stuff. If you're going to buy these keys, stay till the end.
1L, 1M, 1N, 1P, 1R, 2P, and the 3M double-sided master keys. Pretty good, huh? Then the CH751. Liking these keys already. Then the 2001. The TM500, the TM211, and the TM911. Great set of master keys. Now, it says that you gotta have, well, let's see, what does it say? It says RV master keys and change key policy. They're saying at Blue Dogs, you gotta kinda be a locksmith. But if you're an RV owner, like an RV park, or you have some kind of affiliation with the locksmith industry and they don't require locksmiths where you're from, you can probably get these keys. So let's get a closer look at these bad boys because they're quite substantial and they even come with a key ring. That's kind of nice. And Freeman Manufacturing, they own Blue Dog. So let's get a close look. Here's the set close up. These are quite nice. Look at that. Really great keys. And they have TriMark all over them. Look at that. TriMark. So they're pre-cut. Set of 20 TriMark keys. And let's get just another close look at them. Here's the keys. Oh, and there's that little tag. I was looking for that tag and I couldn't find it. There's the tag. BDTMMK. And here's my community post. It gives everything about.
The nice thing about a community post is you can put a bunch of information there. It's kind of like a website. It's right on YouTube, my main channel, my community post.
Everything about these keys, you need to go to my community post and you can read them because I've got all the links. And then if you have generic code, you can cut these keys on generic code. And let's just see. Can you? Yes, you can. There's generic code. I hope this is helpful. Where do you find these type of things? TriMark keys. You get them at bluedogkeys.com.
Hey, another tip of the day. You need to open an account with American Key Supply. They have everything to do with leashy lockpicks. Yeah, you're gonna love it. Open an account, American Key Supply. I love leashy. Freeman Manufacturing, they make this impressioning tool. It's all made out of aluminum and steel. This is American made. Look at the knurling on that. This is a super industrial impressioning vise. You gotta have one, guys. If you're gonna impression keys, if you don't have a great impressioning tool, you won't be able to do the job. Please subscribe, tell your friends. I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Thanks again.